Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking with Miss Perry. Today I wanted to do another easy cooking with you guys that I think you'll really like. After reading this story, Chicks and Salsa, I got to thinking about what we could cook as a class together that's really easy that you guys probably have a lot of stuff at home that you could make it with. So all you will need is a tortilla. You can use one or two. I'm using a corn tortilla, and cheese, and a little bit of salsa to dip it in. I also like to eat mine dipped in sour cream, so if you like sour cream, maybe you could try that too. So we're gonna be making a quesadilla, so I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and show you how to do it. Okay friends, before we get started, make sure you have clean hands. I just washed mine. Okay, so all you're gonna do is get your tortilla, and you're gonna put some cheese in it. And if you don't like a lot of cheese, you don't have to put very much cheese, you just put how much you want. If you want a little one, you can microwave it and then fold it in half like this, and it's little tiny. Or if you're really hungry, like Miss Perry, you can put a little more cheese all the way across like this. And then you can put another tortilla on top, and then you have like a big quesadilla, okay? So it's like a whole circle instead of a half of a circle. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in the microwave. It's really easy, and you're gonna cook it for 20 seconds. Almost done. You should have all the cheese melted in there. Perfect. And let's give it a try. Okay friends, so there you have it. I just cut mine up into little triangles so it's easier for me to eat, and I'm gonna dip it in some salsa and try it. Very good. Okay friends, remember, when you're cooking, make sure you have your mom or dad help you, and enjoy this because it's really tasty. And it's a really easy treat. If you like it, you can have it all the time. Alrighty, have a good day guys, bye.